Welcome to Jazar YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you the Adobe Project Neo. Let's get started. Go to projectneo.adobe.com, log in your Adobe account and select Create Design. You have opened Adobe Project Neo editing interface. You can simply click on any object to add to the canvas, like cube, sphere, cylinder, and capsule. I just add a cube to guide you how it works. When cube selected, we have some cube circles and arrow options appears. Here is thick stroke square box. By clicking and dragging here, you can scale the object. Select the arrow, you can move the object in the arrow direction. By selecting light stroke box, you can stretch the object in that direction. You can see the filled circular shape. By selecting and dragging that shape, you can make the object smoothed and fillet edges. By selecting arc shape object, you can rotate the model. You can also change the color of the model in the right properties panel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.